Okay, we are doing this topic. It's actually a very simple topic. It's called quadrilaterals, which is actually a four-sided figure. Your triangles means three-sided figure. Quad means four. Down here, quad. If you see quad, it means it's four. Okay, four-sided figure. So let us look at okay. So let us look at this particular one. A lot of teachers, even teachers, make mistakes in this. So let us see whether you will make mistake in this. Okay, but let us see. We go to this particular one over here. Hold on, now before we go to all others, I want to see whether you know this one. Okay, listen. Hold on. Okay, okay, the man. We go to this one. All right. Can you highlight? You just write square. Okay. I just put it over here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4.
So,
Yeah.
how does a quadrilaterals look like?
Any four-sided figure. So you have okay, let's see down here. Quadrilateral, okay, is made up of this. Okay, maybe I draw for you now. Any four-sided figure, straight line, must be straight line. Let's say like this, like this, like this, like this. This is a four-sided figure. This one is also a four-sided figure. Any four-sided figure that is straight is quadrilateral. So this is what we call rectangle, right? Roughly, yeah. So you have also, let's say, even like this also. This is also sorry, yeah. Like this, like that. This is also called. So long as there's four sides, it's called quadrilateral. But you are used to this, okay? So now I'm gonna let us check with our understanding, because I think even the book sometimes show us the wrong understanding. Say book shows us wrong understanding. Okay, so I need you all to fully understand. Let me see now. How do I get back to just sorry, yeah. This one now. Okay, you all agree now. For squares, okay, I run through, okay. All sides equal is square, right? You all know. Rectangle, no, right? You all know that rectangle is something like that, right? Okay. Then the next one, opposite sides are equal, yes. Opposite sides are equal, yes. Opposite sides parallel. Also for square.
Sure, how is rectangle not the equal side?
Only two sides are equal. One side equal, one side equal. This one not equal. According to this one now. Okay, but hold on. You might be right to say, okay, all angles are right angles. Yes. But I'm gonna ask you now. Okay, now we go back to this again. We go back to this. Now, if I'm going to draw a rectangle, I'll clear this first, and I draw a square. You ask yourself, you have to think carefully, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, sorry. Let me just use this one now. Like that. You can see this, right? I'm going to draw another one now. Okay, down here. You all agree that number 1 is rectangle, number 2 square? Okay, this is, let's say now, this is, do you all agree that this is a rectangle? This is a rectangle. Yes? All agree, right? This one cannot be square, correct? Can I say this is square? Can I say now, one more name you must know. Can I call this one rectangle? Cannot. Okay, I'm going to ask one by one. Let's see. We ask Shalina. Where's Shalina? Shalina, do you think this can be called rectangle? Shalina, cannot. Putra? Cannot. Farish? Farish, cannot. Can I call this square rectangle? Can or cannot? Let's say no. Let's say it's all sides are the same lah. Let's say, can I call it rectangle? Cannot. Putri also can say cannot. Now that's now you shake your head. You say cannot, right, Putri? What about Nayumi? You think this one can I call rectangle? Cannot. Raidi?
No.
No. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you the surprise now. Huh? The square is a rectangle actually. But so now what is a rectangle? So we come straight to what is a rectangle. Huh? Okay. Now let us look at the quality. Rectangle, opposite sides are parallel. So these two are parallel. Right? All 90 degrees. All 90 degrees. But in our mind, when we look at a poster, we always see the length and breadth as different. Normally. But if it's the same, how? So I draw now, I draw a rectangle. Huh? You see how funny it is now. Okay, now I draw down here this rectangle. Huh? This one is almost like a square, but you say it's a rectangle, correct? Right? Rectangle is not a square, correct? Now I make it almost like a square, but a little bit longer at the down here. This rectangle, true. Then how come if it's exactly the same, it cannot be a rectangle? So this is what it is. Huh? Okay, this you understand this concept, okay? All cats are animals, yes, but not all animals are cats. But you cannot say this is animal, this is cat. Cat is not animal. Cat is also an animal. So this square is a special rectangle where the length and breadth are the same. That's it. Okay, that's number one. Number two, watch out. You are gonna be now. Okay, we're gonna have this thing called a parallelogram. I do not know. Have you all? Okay, I'm gonna draw it. Try to draw parallelogram down here. This is diamond. This is diamond, but this is also a parallelogram lah. This is actually a rhombus. Actually, all sides are there. All sides are same. You know, square. All sides are same also. But square now, you have 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Rhombus can be 89 degrees, 89 degrees, 91, 91. Can be 80, 80. But I cannot say that this is not a rhombus. This is also a rhombus. A square is also a rhombus, you know. Only thing is a special rhombus with 90 degrees. So this is special rectangle with 90 degrees. But what about this one now? This one, you must be able to see this. Huh? Now, normally they draw like that. Normally they draw like that. Huh? Like this. Huh? They say this is called parallelogram. Okay, let's say I draw like this. Huh? Both sides are, let's say like this. Huh? Let's say it's not overlap. Huh? Parallel, parallel. This parallelogram is rectangle parallelogram. Also parallelogram. Huh? You see, these two are parallel. These two are also parallel, but it's a special parallelogram where all the angles are 90. So now, actually, okay, what has happened now? Okay, there's some concepts that you have learned throughout the years. Some of them actually not accurate. Why? Because the poster is like that. So I do not want you to be confused now. So we are going to do something now. Okay, we're gonna clear this one. Huh? Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna write down here. Or should I just allow you to know the? Okay, now see, yeah. Rectangles. Okay, inside the group of rectangles are squares. Inside a square is a special rectangle. Okay, yeah, parallelogram. Inside the special group is a rectangle. Inside the rectangle is the square. That is what it is actually. Okay, but I won't go deeper into this. At some point in time, you need to understand this. Or you will grow up knowing, never mind lah. Okay, I let you grow up knowing because I'm scared I might confuse you now. Never mind. In some classes, I will correct them. In fact, I ran a class in Mendaki to train tutors and teachers, and I asked them to do a survey. And some tutors didn't understand this, you know. So maybe never mind. We come to this. We come to quadrilaterals. Okay. So what are quadrilaterals? Remember, they are four-sided figures. So can you find now what is angle DAC? Okay. First of all, how to read the angle? Always is the center one is the angle. What center one? Center one means the center letter, the middle letter here. Can you see now? A. A, if DAC, we are talking about angle A. How come I cannot write? Just a moment. Let me just try again. Sorry. I need to just stop share first. Hold on. I do not know what has gone wrong. Stop share. Okay, can we try now one more time? Now down here now. When we talk about DAC, we are talking about angle A. GJH, we are talking about angle J. Yeah? So can you find out what this angle is? Okay, for A, can you find out what this angle is? And then you send your answer, please. A what? B what? It's very simple ones. But I hope before we end this tuition in a few lessons or so, 1-2 months, you understand the grouping of okay, who is this? Sorry, yeah. Carissa very fast, huh? Let's see. Well done for A. Friday say for A is 12, is it? So okay, no problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, that means I think okay. I think I better start here. This angle, remember rectangle, what is it? 90 degrees. This one 90 degrees. This one 90 degrees. This one 90 degrees. So how to find this angle down here? Take 90 degrees minus 39 degrees. Can see now. Okay, this one down here is 90 degrees. You want to find this angle? 90 minus 39, you get this balance. Can? Yes, Farish, well done. What about the rest? You all know how to find? I know it's very easy for those who already know, but those who don't know is something very new. Huh? This part down here. Yes, righty, yes. You take 90 degrees, whole thing is 90 minus 39. You will get this one. So this 90 minus 39, you get 51. Okay? And this one, what about this one? Yes. Okay, thanks, righty. Well done. What about the rest? How to find this one? Same thing. Okay, I think I'm going too fast. Huh? You take 90 minus 63. What do you get? 27. Okay, for some of you, this is too easy. Putra, you okay, Putra? Okay, we will try the next few. You try to do next few. Okay. You find now what is the angles that they are asking you to find. JLK. Now you must know which one they're talking about. It's always the middle one. What is the middle one? L. So down here lah. Okay. And this one, PQR down here. PQR. Sorry, PQR is here. QPR is here. Okay. Can you give the angles? Can you try? If you are in a physical class, I will ask you to measure. Carissa, can you check your question number A? Okay. Mr. Farish, try question number A. Okay, all of us, we do question number A first. Question number A first. Don't go to question number B first. Okay, because some of you might be struggling. Question A first. Which you must be able to know which one are the same. Down here, you got two of them. We want to find this angle. You want to find this angle. Okay, we want to find this angle down here. How to find this angle? Let us see. Putra says that. Let us see whether you're right. Carissa says that. For angle A, again. All right, so now, some of you all are confused now. So I'm going to go slow again. Now, if you see this thing down here, and you see this thing down here, this means this line, this particular line down here is the same, equal. This one is also the same. When you see this line, again, I repeat, and this line, it means these two lines are the same. What does it mean? It means two angles are the same. Which angle? Is not the sandwich angle. Can you see there's one sandwich angle by the two lines? This one is not the angle. The other two angle, not sandwich, is the same. This one is same, this one is same. So this one is 52 also. Remember, again, I repeat, you look now at the line. The line down here, there's one, there's another one here. The sandwich angle, what is sandwich? Means connected by two. This one is the different one, different angle. These two are the same. So how to find this angle? Take 180 minus 52 minus 52. You will get what? 76. Are you okay? You all know how to do now? Okay. Okay, we try the next one. Now we try the next one. Be very careful. Okay, you try the next one. Let's see. I think Farish, you may have got it right. Let me just double check. No. I think no one has gotten it right yet. So one, no, because it's a decimal actually. Okay, which two angles are the same? You must know which two angles are the same. Okay, if you cannot see, I will draw again. Okay, I will draw if you cannot see. So this one now is same. So I draw the line here. This one same. I draw the line here. This one is different. These two are the same. Let us see. So how to find? Take 180 minus 41 first. Answer divide by 2. Okay, well done, Carissa. Answer then divide by 2. Follow the steps. If you're not sure again, 180, yes, righty, well done. Minus 41. Then you will get what? 139. This 139 is for two angles here. 1, 2. Okay. So you must divide by 2 lah. 139 divided by 2. What do you get? You get on here, both of them, 69.5. Yes. 69.5. Am I going too fast or okay? Okay, Okay, remember, be careful, okay? This is how you find out. Again, sandwich angle. I call it sandwich. You know why I call sandwich now? Sandwich, you have a bread like that. Okay, let's say this is the burger lah. The patty is in between, right? Same thing. This one is your patty in between lah. The sandwich angle, this is the different angle. The other two are the same. Okay, remember that, Remember the sandwich angle, okay? Okay, now we try that. Oh, this is under recall. Hold on. Okay, we have to move on to. Okay, hi. I think I tell you what. I think we need to try this one. Can you try this one? Question A, question B, question C. If you don't know, it's okay. You don't know, it's okay. But I want you to guess. Down here, I want you to guess. Can you try first? You don't know, it's okay. We're going to go through shortly. Okay, righty. Okay, righty. Okay. Larissa, correct. Righty, I will come to it more. Don't worry, Okay. So I think other than Carissa, maybe the rest don't know. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'm going to go through. I go through with you. Okay. Watch out. If let's say now I draw a straight line, and then I want you to look carefully. Okay. Imagine this is parallel. Imagine I do parallel line like that. Okay. Well done, Carissa. Do you realize that this angle is the same as this angle? Can see now. Then this angle along here, I use a different color. Watch out. This brown angle. Can you see it adds up with the red angle to make 180 degrees? This plus this 180 degrees. See why is 180 degrees? It's two right angle together, two right angle like that. Can you see now? Right angle is 90 degrees, you know. Right angle is 90 degrees. So this plus this is 180 degrees. Which means what? I want you to look carefully, okay? which means, watch, this one, 2 lines, is the same as this one, you know. So these two also add up to 180 degrees also. This is the same as this one. If these two add up to 180 degrees, these two must add up to 180 degrees also. Therefore, this one down here, you add to this one, you get 180 degrees. Confusing, eh? Confusing, eh? These two add up to 180 degrees. Why? Why? Okay, watch, I draw the line. Notice, I draw this. I make it big first. I make it big first. Okay, hold on. I make it big first. Okay, a little bit headache. Your first time you're gonna do this, you're gonna feel a little bit of headache. But why I cannot? Okay. So watch, I'm gonna make the line longer. I want you to see whether you can see is the same angle or not. Watch, you try to do you realize that this angle is the same angle? Which one? Do you realize that this one is the same as 1, 2, 3? Can see now? This one actually, if I cut, I can fit down here, you know. So how much is B? These two add up 180 degrees. Why? Why? Because look at this, look at the angle. This angle is the same as this angle. So these two add up to 180 degrees. So B plus 1, 2, 3 is also 180 degrees. How to find B? 180 degrees minus 1, 2, 3. What do you get? You will get.
56,
Yeah.
56.
Sorry. What you say?
56.
56.
Yeah.
57. 1, 2, 3 minus.
Sorry. 57.
57, right? Okay. So you can see, but you can see now this angle here is the same as this. Can see, right? So if you put it in a straight line, you will fit exactly down here. Let's say now I cut this out. I take this one, I go and cut. Let's say I cut, and then I take this whole thing now. I take this whole thing. I put it down here. It will fit exactly. You know, this part. Can you see this part? Put inside here, it will fit exactly. So that means these two add up to 180 degrees. Okay, I'm a little bit worried now. Okay, so I tell you what, we revise the earlier questions. Okay, I'm now going to revise the earlier questions, which is actually the angle questions. Okay, because the other day I'm not too sure whether you get it or not. So let me just angle.
The other day I wasn't here.
Oh, you weren't here. The other day, I think when you were not here, we just did some revision of the exam papers. But now I think we just going to do the triangles, and then we hold on. I will open up this one, but this is not the one yet. This is actually primary 6 actually, but hold on, just let me find the primary 5. No, we are not going to go to the primary 6 yet. We are going to go to the primary 5 angles. Okay. So again, this is now revision. Okay, revision. I want you to be able to find, to see whether you can get. Then we go to the primary. Can you try? I know we have done some of this before. Can you find now the angle that I'm going to mark? Okay, you use your calculator if you need to. Okay, can you please find this? Come very quickly. Use your calculator, no problem. You know how to find. Those of you who forgot, the 3 angles must add up to 180 degrees. Okay. Okay, you send your answers. Okay, then we'll go to tougher questions very soon. Okay, well done, Carissa. Well done, Raidi. What about the rest? Putra, you know how to find the angle? You find, so okay, so if you're confused, I'll go back to the easier one. We go back. Well done, Putra. What about Nayumi? What about Shalina? What about Shafia? What about, who else not here? Oh, here. Nayumi can get, Nayumi, Shalina, well done. Nayumi, use a calculator. So how to do, get 180 minus 43 minus 62. You minus this one, minus this one. You will get 75. Yeah? Okay, why? Because 1, 2, 3 angles must add up to 180 degrees. Okay, we move on to the next one now. Okay, this is now revision. Okay, you try. Farish can do not Farish? Okay, you try to find this angle now. Farish, use a calculator, Farish. You have a calculator? No? You have, right? Okay, you all must have a calculator. Huh? Naomi, use your calculator. Naomi got a calculator. These three angles must add up to 180. Yes, well done, Raidi. Well done, Shalina. Well done, Carissa. Naomi can do. Well done, Naomi. What about the rest? Come on. You all must be able to do this after that. Farish, what about you, Farish? Putra, what about you, Putra? Come on, come on. Can do, not? Now, I know the last time we went through, some of you confused. So this is time to catch up, okay? Before we go to tougher. So that's now you saw we are going to go through to 4-sided figures. Well done, Putra. Farish, you are missing something. Yes, well done. So 180 minus 50 minus 72 is 58. Okay, we are going to go now. Next one, Here we go. I must apologize to Carissa because to her she said it's simple. This is so simple, she said. In her heart. Meow. Meow, yes. Okay, try the next one. This one. Remember, you're searching for the center angle, this one, FGH. And go, please. And go. Okay, Raidi, where are you, Raidi? Come on, Raidi, you can do this, Raidi. Use your calculator. Okay. No, Raidi, the answer is not correct, Raidi. Try again. These three angles must add up to 180, Raidi. Let us see now. Okay, Putri. Well done, Putri. Now, Raidi, your answer is correct. What about the rest? Farish, can do the Farish? Use a calculator, not Farish. Mental.
Sure.
Yeah.
Later, can I show you guys something?
Yeah, later. And come. What about the rest? Come on. Farish, well done. Shalina, what about Shalina? Yes, well done. What about, come on lah, the rest, just send your answer. Don't wait for me to call your name. Naomi, come on. Take 180 minus these two. All right, because these three will add up 180. 180 minus 15, then minus 26. What do you get? You'll get one answer, which is, using a calculator, right, Naomi? Press your calculator, 180 minus 15 minus 26. Can? What do you get? Do you send? So, can get 139. Naomi can get 139. Can, Okay. Well done, Putra. Okay. Is that a man behind you, Naomi? I see a man. No. Okay, some clothes, Okay. I keep seeing ghosts everywhere. So. Okay, now. This one now is teaching you about isosceles triangle. Can you find the angle in between? Which is angle X, ZXY. Well done, Carissa. Well done, Farish. Who else? Carissa is too easy. Yeah, your answer is correct. Well done. No problem. Well done, Shalina. We are waiting for you already. What about Nayu? Take 180 minus these two. Where? Okay, ready. Well done.
Yeah.
Naomi can do, Naomi. Okay, take 180 minus minus this. Where's your calculator? Where? Put in your calculator 180 minus 45. Don't do minus 45. Don't do mentally, okay? We don't have time for mental calculation. I have mental problem. Okay, you get 90, yeah? Meow, yes. How's your cat? Okay.
Very okay.
Is he becoming a naughty cat?
No.
No.
I don't even put him in the cage anymore because my father's friend say that if you put your cat inside a cage when they're big, they will be very bad.
Okay,
I know my cat inside my sister's room.
I see.
But he was chasing a fly just now. Probably ate it already.
Ate it? Wow.
Yeah, because
Okay.
the other day he ate a bee, then he ate a beetle that was still alive.
Yeah, at least we know they eat strange things. Well done, Shalina.
so.
Well done, Carissa. Come, Raidi. What about the rest? Naomi, you know what to do, Naomi? Okay, send your answer, Naomi. 180 minus these two. Now we are just moving slow, okay? We're going to get fast very soon. Once you go fast, you'll be bingung, huh? All of you, sometime maybe. But if you trust your feeling, yes.
Have you ever been to Wow Wow Wet?
Well, no, no. I maybe the old one. It's called Big Splash. Well done, Putra. Well done, Raidi. So take 180 minus 107.
I go before.
You go before.
I never go before.
Okay,
I baru went yesterday and then I took the torpedo.
Torpedo.
Yeah.
Okay, well done, Amy. Okay, now down here.
I want a video where it shows what happened.
I see. I think someone fell off the thing, right?
Oh no! Yesterday, my parents were sitting below, right, and then they saw someone walking out, right. They think that's because they were like their leg was like broken, and then because they hit the ankle or something, and then my mother and father thinks that they accidentally broke their ankle.
Possible. Okay, Farish, you have found here, Farish. We are asking for this one. So you got to go further. You have found this, great, Farish. Now you got to go further. Let's see whether Shalina has gotten that. No, Shalina, not yet. I don't think there is the. Wait. Sorry. What am I saying? Farish, no, you have not found that also. Farish. Let's see. Shalina, you got it right, Shalina. Farish, you got to check your answer. So this one, you got to find the brown color first. You got to find a brown angle. From here, you can find, but some of you need to find this one to find. Up to you. You can find this one. You can find this one to find this one. You need to find the red angle. So let's see. Farish, give me the final answer, Farish. It's not 30. It's not 32. This is not isosceles. Because they did not put this, Farish. If they put this, your answer is correct. But they didn't put that. Putra, well done, Putra. Wow, Putra. Okay, you gotta find this one first. Come on, find this one first.
I didn't. I do the sector method.
How you do sector method? What is it? Okay, later you tell me. Later tell me. Yeah, that is the method. You can, but you must find this one also. What sector method?
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Now you make me worried. Okay, there's a few methods.
Teacher, Putri didn't send the answer.
Putri has not sent, I think. Putri. What about the rest? Okay, so let us do this. A few methods, okay? We do method 1 first. Method 1.
Correct.
Yeah, correct. So how to find method 1?
Everything and then minus 180.
Okay, Ken. So you take 180 minus 50 minus 60, you get 70 here. That's one way, and then 180 minus 70, you get 110. Then how to find this one? 180 minus 110 minus 32. This is one method, okay? This is 38. Putra, do you use this method? No, Okay, there's another method. Remember,
teacher, I use 180 minus 60 minus 50, you get 70, 70 minus 32.
Well done. Okay, so Putra has another method. I'm going to show you what Putra sees. Putra is using the skill of young woman, old woman. Am I correct, Putra? Putra does this now. Watch, Putra now, he erases this and he's looking at the big triangle. Hold on.
Sir?
Yeah?
I have the gift to see.
You have the gift to see. So now, what is Putra saying? Putra is saying, you remember, 3 angles add up to 180. This plus this. So you take 180 minus 60 minus 32. And down here, this is also an angle, right? These 3 angles now. This green angle plus this angle equal 180. Because it's a triangle. But you don't have the full one. You only have a part of it. So you take 180 minus 32 minus 60 minus 50, you get 38. Also correct. Can you see now the method? So you can do this in different ways. Okay, we are getting more complex, more complex. So again, for those of you not sure, you find this angle of 70. Then how to find the next angle? 180 minus 70. you get 110. And then how to define? Sorry, then you get 110 here. Then how to find this angle? 180 minus 110 minus 32, get 38. There's one shortcut method. The sec2 method I told you about. What is the sec2 method? Down here is 70, right? We find out. Remember, if you have like that triangle, angle outside is equal to 2 angle inside. Is equals to 32 plus 1 more equals 70. Take 70 minus 32, you get 38. Sec2 method. If you don't understand this method, don't use this method. It has to be a straight line. Okay, I will draw our test.
So,
yeah, I will test you.
My method is 180 minus 60 minus 32, get 60. I mean, got 88, then 88 minus 50.
50, yeah, you're similar to Putra method lah. You are seeing a big triangle, Now I'm going to give you this one now. Okay, there is a straight line. Okay, and I do not want. Okay, straight line down here. 1. Okay, this one it touches lah. This angle now is given. I'm going to give you the angle in a moment. And I want you to be able to solve now 100 degrees. This one now is 60 degrees. Can you tell me what is this? Immediately. One step. Anyone? Just say it out.
50.
Not 50.
32.
No, remember the secondary 2 method or sec1 method. Exterior
20.
angle. Not 80. These
20.
two 20. So no. These two add up is equals to 100. 60 plus what?
40.
40. Confirm. You know why confirm?
Yes, because
Okay.
6 plus 4 is 10. Then
10
also
equals to exterior. If you don't believe
How about
now,
20?
20. Okay, we try. We see. How much is this angle now? We check. How much is this angle? 180 minus
180.
no, the whole thing 180 minus 100, you get 80 here. 80 plus 60, 140. 140 plus 40 is 180. So now there is another method, a shortcut method. This one is equals to these two. But if you are confused by it, forget about it. Okay, I'm just teaching you new methods, okay? But people will saying, why you teach them? They might get confused. They're too young. Don't teach them this. Okay. So up to you, you want to remember or not. Here we go. Okay, we try now. Question A and B and go. Farish, you okay, Farish? Find angle ABC. Well done, Carissa. What about the rest? Ready? Okay, ready? Well done, Putra. Come. Use your calculator. Well done, Farish. Now you know what this is? This is 90 degrees. Square means 90 degrees. Use your calculator minus. Shalina, where are you, Shalina? Come on, Shalina, you're in the dark. I can see the building behind you. I cannot see your face. Stop scaring us, Shalina. Well done, Shalina. Righty, well done. Farish, well done.
Am I correct?
Hold on, let me see.
Am I correct?
Wait. You have found B, you know. Wait. Do you find? Hold on. Okay, you are correct for ABC, Carissa, and Mr. Putra, you are correct for ADC. And now Carissa also correct for ADC. Okay, we go to one by one. Naomi, you know what to do, Naomi? 180 minus 57 minus 90. What do you get? You get 33. The next one, going to slightly more difficult one, okay? How to get now? Is it too difficult for you all? You want to find this one first. And then you find this one. Two different angles, eh? Putra, you have not found this angle, Putra. Kaka has found it.
Are you sure? I am sure.
Yeah, you have not. You are just given this one. Come, you all know. You all know what to do. Okay, I think some of you all are having a blackout, huh? Blackout.
Teacher, the other thing, is it 180 minus 90 minus 28?
Yes, well done. So down here they don't show a 90 degrees, but it's also a 90 degrees here. Okay, you don't need to wait. This is also how do you know? This is a straight line.
It's a right angle.
Right angle. So this one right angle. So because they didn't draw, some of you are saying, is this a right angle? A right angle. So long as straight line. When is it not a right angle? When they draw it like that. When they draw like that, let's say like that, and then they draw like this. Then they put like that. They put 90 here. Yeah, sorry. They put 90 like that. This one we don't know whether 90 or not because sengat. But if it's straight line, this is confirm 90. 180 minus 90 minus 28, you get this answer, which is, you all know, right? What's the answer? I'm afraid only a few of you understand.
And
62, yes. Then the next one, find what this is. What is this? 90, this is 90. Minus 28, you get 62. Ready? You are confused already. A little bit. It's okay. Don't feel okay. So down here now we go step by step. Okay. When you are confused now, that means you are saying too many things. So what to do? Yes. What
you must practice.
Yeah, I must practice, and I must now use blinkers. Must use blinkers now. Must use blinkers.
The horse eye.
Horse eye, because you are seeing too many things. You are confused. Imagine now you inside your room, there's so many antu inside. Then you say, alamak, I don't understand. I'm so scared. I don't know. So now we minus this off. So ready? And the rest, remember first thing is, this thing is 90 degrees. Because there's now down here 90 degrees, right? So this one is also 90 degrees. How to find this angle? 180 minus 90 minus 28. You get 62. Okay, ready? Okay, now the next one The next one, you must find this angle. How to find this angle? But they tell you this one is 90, no? Okay, I'm going to rewind now. Watch. They tell you I remove the, can you see not? This is 90 degrees. This is 28. How much is this one? You got to find this one first.
90 plus 28.
Not plus 20, must minus.
90 minus 28.
Minus 28.
Is,
What?
wait.
How much? 90 minus 28 is
62.
Then this one is 90. So you take 180 minus 90 minus 62, you get 28 or so. It's actually the same triangle, you know. Can you see now? This is two a similar triangle. Look.
Yes, I can see
62, 62, 28, 28, 90, 90. Okay, we move on. We move on. Okay. So this thing is not whether you are good or not good. It's whether you can see or not see. The other day I showed you, right, different pictures, right? Raidi was not here. Can I just show to see and we test Raidi lah? Okay, Raidi. Oh my goodness, this Raidi's one.
Oh,
Okay, hold on. Okay, down here. You can see the screen. Old woman. Did I show you old woman, young woman, Raidi?
no.
Okay, so this is what we are talking about. Okay, and in life you sometimes need to see it this way. So down here, Raidi, what do you see for? Okay, we take this one first. This thing, what do you see?
First, I did not saw a duck. Now I see a duck.
Now you see a dog.
Duck.
And then anything? Any other
Teacher,
animal? What is it, Putra?
it's a rabbit,
A
duck,
rabbit?
and a pigeon.
A rabbit.
Okay.
A
It could be a
rabbit.
rabbit, yeah.
I can
Okay,
see
duck.
a rabbit and a duck.
Okay, what about this one, Raidi?
A old woman.
In front
and
is
a
the young hair, and
young woman.
behind
A
is the
young
old
woman
hair.
and old woman.
Okay, so you can see old and young. Very good. Okay, now we look at other things. Let me see. The one down, this one is the same thing.
I found optical illusion before too.
Yeah, this is optical illusion. Can you see this one?
Yes.
You all can see. What do you all see?
Skeleton.
Skeleton. Okay, means you see a old man and old woman. Old man, the eye down here. Is it?
Wait,
What do you all see?
it's not.
Then what do you see?
Some like some old man and old woman and some like people playing the guitar.
It could be, yeah. So this is one man actually down here.
Yeah, I can see
Mexican
that.
man.
Yeah, I see.
Another Mexican
And-
man.
And then playing the guitar.
But some of them will see this as the nose. This is the nose. This is the eye. As the eye. This is the ear. All right. And this is the botak head. This one the white hair. Right. This one the old woman's nose. And then you look at the face. It's all crumpled, crinkled, wrinkled. But actually it's the clothes with the legs. So it's how you see. So remember angles.
I
now
see
that-
both. I see both too.
You see both. Okay. So the angles question is about this thing of how you see. And in life, there was this case of some people getting very offended. They overheard something, get very offended, want to get into a fight. But the person was not talking about him, but he thinks the person is talking about him. Why? This is your point of view. All right, you try now. GEF. Okay, I'm going to highlight where GEF is. Can you find GEF first now? GEF, this one. Can you find this angle first?
So can you rotate it?
Rotate.
No. Yeah.
Rotate. Don't rotate. Once here, rotate. Once here, don't rotate. Rotate. Your one rotate, is it? All of you one
No,
rotate?
I don't want.
Your sister,
No
one
need.
sister.
I also don't
what?
know whether need to rotate or not.
Okay, then I tell you, you rotate yourself lah. You can rotate yourself, right? Yeah, that one, yes. Do the spin.
Okay,
So
sure.
we want you to find
I'm
this one
done
first.
with GEF.
Okay, you send your answer already.
Yeah.
Let me check. Yeah. Well done. What about the rest? Come on. You find GEF first. After that, once you found GF, then you can find the other one. Yes, well done, Carissa. After that, find this one. Shalina can find GF. Shalina, now I can see you, Shalina. Naomi, come. Naomi, use your calculator. How many degrees is this, Naomi? You know, right? How many? 90. Use your calculator lah. 90 minus this, minus this. Tell the answer. Righty, how come you get that? Cannot be that one lah.
No. That was for DEF. That's
DEF,
for
not DEF.
DEG. Sorry.
DG is not. This is not. Confirm not. Okay, so Putra got it correct. Carissa got it correct for both. Righty, your second one.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
You know. How much is this?
90.
Well done, Shalin. So you minus this one, huh?
90 minus 60.
Yes. Okay, so when you take 180 minus 90 minus 26, you get 64. Farish, where are you, Farish? I have not seen Farish. Where is he? You must check after. Farish, you get it, Farish? Farish can see not? You know how to get 64? 180 minus 90 minus
Sure, I also
So-
got 64 also.
Okay, good. I want
Am
to
I
check.
wrong or correct?
Correct. Which one? For the second one. Well done, Naomi. What about this, Farish? What angle? What's the angle for this one? This one is 90. This one is 64. What's that? Okay, we need everyone to get, okay? Okay. In a moment,
Sure, I got a cool video I found.
Okay, later I'll check. I saw that. Very scared. Well done, Farish. So you take
After I send you.
90 minus 64, you got 26. Now you can see not, this is 90 minus 64, you get 26. Okay. Now this is the beginning, so sometimes it's a little bit slow. Some will get it first, some will get it later. It's like someone telling you a joke. As you see, you hear it first time, wow, some of you feel very funny. Second time, after 5 minutes, another person understand the joke. And some people after listening to it say, that's not funny, though. That's very hurtful. Now you find D, E, F, D. You got to decide Are you sure EFD is 53 or not? I don't say an answer. Don't say an answer. Is it 53 or not? Use the sandwich method. Use the sandwich method. Let us see. You want to find EFD, the one in red. Very scary, yeah. Is that your cat? Ready? Your cat in the car. Well done, Carissa. Very fast. And Farish. First, Farish, well done.
I thought I already told you I took a photo from Google.
Oh, I see. Mr. Putra, you're almost correct, but you forgot one angle. You only think a triangle got two angles. Triangle means three angles, you know. Like by. By means what? By means what?
Bicycle.
Bicycle, two angles lah. Say by means two. Tri means three. Quad means four. Well done, Raidi. So,
Right.
which one you forgot? You forgot this angle, Putra. How much is this angle?
50.
You must minus 53 or so. 180 minus 53 minus 53. Don't be sad. Be happy lah. That's 76. It's 74. Sorry, not 76. Y'all, I notice when you all get it right, you are so happy. Get it wrong, you're sad. It's natural lah, but don't feel sad lah. It's not you lah, not you. It's very normal to get things wrong. I always get things wrong, you know. You know, once I told you this story. I got this thing. It's so embarrassing, you know. You want to see who I got wrong? I told you this story. I think I show you. This person, he's a TV personality. Did I tell you about it? TV personality.
Wait. I
Yeah.
found a video about the tour. What do you call?
What is it?
The torpedo.
Torpedo.
Yes,
Torpedo.
but it was a man
I see.
and it was naked.
Naked. Okay,
Just
we
the top,
don't
just
show.
the top, just the
This guy. Watch this guy. This one. Can you see this guy? He is in Suria. He's one of the documentary video or reporter. So I met him in the mosque, you know. And then I said, hey, I met you. You are very familiar. Which school you come from? So we had a conversation. In the end, he says he can't remember where he met me. He probably met me somewhere. But I was so sure I met him in school, probably my classmate. In the end, when I went back home after a few months later, I realized that I met him on TV. I don't know him. I actually don't know this guy. But in the end, we say hello to each other.
So,
Okay. Yeah.
it's just the top for the video just now.
The
Just
top?
the top, but use underwear. For
Okay.
because it's swimming,
Uh-huh.
and then
Okay.
it's like there's a trap door below you, and it will
Okay.
just open.
I will check now. You already sent me, is it?
Yes.
Okay, you'll find ABC then. ABC. So sometimes we can get mistaken.
I don't know what I must say.
There's another time I got mistaken story about Lee Kuan Yew. You want me? I can tell you the story. And I was telling my son. So now I do. Oh, very fast. Very fast. Oh, Farish also very fast. But let us see who's correct. Miss Carissa, you're correct.
I don't
Farish,
know
you got to
how
check.
do.
Friday, you got to check also.
Thank you.
Don't be. You must first of all make a decision. Which two angles are the same? Is any one of these 36 or 36 the only one?
So are these my answer?
Yeah, Putra is not correct. So Raidi, your answer is same as Raidi. So now let us see now. We draw this line. Remember, I draw this line. The sandwich angle. The sandwich angle is the one that's different. Yeah, yes. Yeah, well done. This one is different. So which two are the same? This one is the same as this. Because this is sandwich angle. Can see not? They're touching each other. There's angle in between. So how to do this? Take 180. Now you may take 180 minus 36. But this is only step one, you know. You get 1, 4.
144.
144. And then you must divide by 2 because 144 is equal to these two. So you must
Then
divide by
divide by
2.
2.
Then you get 72. Okay, you get it there? So you must identify which two angles are same first. You cannot just do gasak buta. Okay, don't do gasak buta. You know what's gasak buta? I do anyhow lah. Okay, don't do it now. This one now. Okay, confident, confident, relax, confident. Okay, we want to find what is ZWY. Okay, let me make it bigger. ZWY. ZWY, which is this angle here. I'll color for you. Center. This one. Remember, you got to cut out some of the image for you to do this. You got to be put on your horse blinkers, please. You know, I told you about horse blinkers, right? Putra, sorry, Putra,
No.
it's not the right one. Please try again.
Gross.
Gross.
No.
Yeah. Okay, can I help you and put the blinkers on? Okay, well done, Miss Carissa. Righty, good try, but it's not correct.
Okay,
Good try, not correct. Okay, I put the blinkers on for you. You know what's the blinkers? I show you in a horse blinkers. Yeah, lah, we know lah. How many times must show us? Okay lah. Now here.
I
You
know
must.
this is confirm not the answer, but I just want.
No, that's not. That's the same answer as Putra's first answer. It's not the same. Putra, people are copying your answer, even though they're wrong. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Now down here, they are not looking at this one now. Can you find, first of all, can you find this angle or this angle?
I don't know how to find.
You know. First of all, you decide which two angles are the same. Look, they have a line on here. They have a line on here. So you draw the line like that.
Wait.
You draw like, yeah. Okay, you find the angle.
I want to show what I do. Okay, so first I take 180
And
minus
then,
86.
okay, and then you
And
get
once you get the answer,
94. Okay.
A, and then A divided by 2
Good. Okay.
equals
Equals to, yes, well, not
B.
equals to this one of
Oh.
this. And then after that you take this out and see. So the first step is, notice first you need to black out block out the line on here. So as Righty says, 180 minus 86. Answer divided by 2, what do you get? 94 divided by 2, what do you get? 94, 45, 47. 47, yes. This one also 47. When this happened now you got to go back to the original what? The original drawing. How? Okay, I'm going to go back. Original, watch. Now I block out something else. What do I block out? I don't need to look at this triangle anymore. This one now. I don't want to look at this triangle anymore. Okay, so down here, watch. I'm going to block out this one now. This one, I don't want to look at it anymore. I don't need this triangle anymore. Okay, so down here. So now you just look at that triangle down there. This one is not 86 anymore. You can find this angle now. You can find this small angle now.
47 plus 90. And then once you get that 180 minus the answer.
Well done. So you must remember this one is 90 also, okay? Because it's a straight line. Down here 90, this one must be 90. So 180 minus 90 minus 47, and your answer is 43, as Carissa says. You get it? You understand? So this thing of solving, you sometimes must not see the whole thing. Sometimes I only see a nice part. Imagine now you're looking at me. Actually, you know what? I have no body below my waist. No, I'm actually crippled. That's it. But you don't know that, so I look normal to you. But actually, once I go out, I'm actually crippled. Imagine. So maybe you might feel a little bit uncomfortable. Maybe. So we move on to the next one. Okay. I think today's one, maybe you are able to get it better. Okay, quadrilateral.
Now,
Very simple. What's the answer?
Can I do this mentally? Can I do this mentally?
Yeah, but don't say out the answer mentally, please. Don't show the answer. Just type the answer so that everyone will find out. What is angle R? Very simple. At this stage, Carissa is yawning.
Done.
Well done, Righty.
Fully mentally, no calculator.
Karina, well done. Wow. Putra, well done. Okay, that means you all remember from the last lesson. Very good. Very good.
What
Well,
last lesson?
okay, no last lesson. You are genius. Okay. So here we go. 180, you can do two methods lah.
I
Minus
remember
60,
from last few weeks.
few weeks. Minus 60, minus 60, get 60.
Two.
Or equilateral triangle, 180 minus 6 divided by 3, you get 60. So the answer is 60. Okay, we move on. We move on. And
Sure, can test us more on this.
on this one, yes. Okay, now down here now. Okay, find WXZ. First of all, we ask Putra. Don't show the angle. Putra, can you label which angle are they asking us to find? WXZ. It's not a rapper, WXZ. It's the name of an angle. Which one? See,
Pokemon X and Y.
Okay, no, okay, which one? Come, you just showing piece like that. Yeah, but which one is the angle? We only want you to mark the angle. Don't mark the whole triangle.
Pokemon.
Which one?
Catch 'em.
Okay, which one? Which one the angle? Show us which angle. In fact, they WXZ. They are talking about one angle, you know. Which angle? Yes, down there. Okay, but not the whole thing. So it's always the center angle, the X. They already marked for you down here. Okay, please try. Please try. Don't yeah. But don't put all that. Don't tell your friend. Okay, and go. All right, please. Well, Carissa really got answer. Come. Okay, well done. Carissa, well done. But how do we know? Okay. By the way, this is a direct, equilateral triangle. I forgot to tell you. This one equilateral triangle. I repeat. This one equilateral triangle. Well done, Putri. I repeat again, equilateral triangle. Faris, come, score the goal. Cannot be, Putra. So sorry, Putra. Putra, try again. Faris, this equilateral triangle. Well done, Putra. Ready? Try again.
Am I close to the answer?
No, there's a close to, yeah, not really. Farish, no. 90 degrees is always like a square. Remember, I told you, you can take like a edge of something that is paper, and you can put it, if you put it at an angle that's not, it's smaller than 90. Farish, you label the 90-degree angle on the triangle. The rest don't tell. Farish, can you label 90 degrees on the triangle? There's one more 90 degrees. This one is the 90 degrees, right? There's one more angle that's 90. This is 90 degrees, right? Can you label one more 90? This is one. Can you label one more? Which one? You try to label. Can you label that? Good. Now, one more thing. Farish, they say this triangle is equilateral triangle. How much is this angle? How much is this angle? How much is this whole angle? Equilateral means all are the same. Take 180 divided by 3. What do you get? Yes. Not 6, 60. Good. 60, 60, 60. Equilateral is always 60, 60, 60. Okay, now we clear. You all know what to do, right? Can you solve it, please? Okay, come. Solve it. Okay, this one is 90 degrees.
I still need to solve.
You solve already. You're a champion already. Cannot be. Which one is 60? You're correct. One of them. This one is 60, right? That's now. Your show is 60. So can you solve this angle now? How much is this? Come on. How much is this?
Sure, give me 10 seconds. Give me
10 seconds.
40 seconds.
Not 40 seconds. 40 cents. I'll give you money. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The rest, what about the rest? 180, yes. 180 minus 60 minus 90, get 30. Farish, are you okay? Farish, you understand, Farish? Farish, you understand? Okay, we're going to test Farish for a while. Farish, this is equilateral triangle. What is one angle on here, Farish? What is this? How many degrees? Just tell us. Speed it up. How many degrees? 180 divided by 3. How much is it? Only 160. So this is 60. This is 60. And I am going to mati. 60.
60, 180, yes. And then once you get 180, then you also know what you do after you get 180.
Okay, yeah. But it's correct. It's correct. I'm growing old now. I want to say goodbye to all of you.
I'm going better soon.
Wow, Carissa is so happy that I am going somewhere else.
Finally.
I hope I go to a better place.
Sure.
Yeah.
I just realized that I'm 30 kg only.
30 kg. Yeah. You're very light. Huh? Okay, here we go. We're gonna try this. Huh? Be careful.
So, so I believe I'm now in 36 kg.
Yeah, this drama is too good. But it's still a love drama.
Drama? Which drama?
The drama you're doing. It's
Oh,
a love
drama? I'm gonna die. Okay. Some people are very happy when I say I'm gonna die. I'm just looking. One of them, I think all those, almost everyone happy. Only Faris is the only one not happy. Let me see, really care for me.
Sure.
All the rest are just, let me see. See Naimi.
Yeah, I'm saying that this is a drama only. I
Naimi.
never said
No. Naimi. Is she smiling? I think Shalina is smiling. That's why she goes in the dark. Ayo. All these people, they were not going to be at my grave. Would you be at my
For
grave?
me? What did I do?
Okay, yourself, you're going to laugh. No?
Am I correct?
Okay, let's try to see. Well done, Faris. Well done.
Yeah, I give up already.
Well done, Puteri. Well done. Don't give up so fast.
Did I give up 10 more seconds?
Why you give up so fast? Look at Putra. He's not giving up. Putra, do it. Show us. Shalina can do not. Shalina.
9, 10. Alright, I give up already.
You see, Faris, now you have become very fast now. Right? Don't ever feel
More
down.
faster
Okay?
than with me.
Yeah, faster than Putra now. Okay? Now faster than Raidi as well. Okay, we are asked now. Yes, you know fast method. Okay, good, good. Okay, we're gonna ask Raidi now. Raidi, how much is this angle, Raidi? Raidi,
60.
60. Yeah.
60.
This one is how much?
60.
60. This one is how much?
60.
Then
Alright,
what is this square, Raidi? What is how many
30.
degrees?
90 degrees.
90.
And then
So
you take 90 minus 60, which will be 30. And then when you
30.
get 30, and then
this angle is how much?
30 also.
30 or so. So now how to do?
And then you'll get
Then
120.
together
Done.
is 180. Then you minus all.
So you all know how to do already. You see? But
That's what I know how to do.
But you all were giving up. Some of you were giving up. Don't give up. Let me tell you, there's this. You must try. You did not. You know the processionary caterpillar. Don't follow the rest. No, rest is what you. Some people in your class give up. You also give up. You know what's a processionary caterpillar? I'll show it to you. No, okay. This is they did an experiment with a processionary caterpillar. I'll show you now. Processionary caterpillar.
You only have less than 20 minutes. You only have 19 more minutes.
Okay, processionary caterpillar. Okay, don't worry. Inshallah. You're counting the thing down. So this is a processionary caterpillar. Can you see? You look at this one. They follow, no? The front caterpillar goes in front. The back follows the bontot. Follows the back. Follow.
Is this like army?
Yeah, see down here. So now, can you see this one? They follow. So one day, you know what? They did an experiment, you know. I do not know. Is it here? Okay, let me see. Flower pot. They did this experiment. They put the food in between inside here. No? And then the caterpillar go round because they're following. After 3 days, they all died. The food was just here. So same thing. Don't just follow others. You see your friends. Don't follow. You think for yourself. You can find. Yeah, down here, can you see? This is a real caterpillar, no. I'm not making up this one. Of course, caterpillars becomes.
And just make a plan before you do what you do.
Yeah, you must have a plan. So
Like
this,
who's leader. If you want to fight who's leader, then kill each other.
but you know, sometimes if you follow the wrong leader, like this guy. Have you heard of Jim Jones? Don't be shocked. Can I show you this?
I only hear the Jian Jung code.
Okay, Jim Jones was a person who claimed to be like communicating with God, and he was like a Christian preacher, and he brought some Americans to a place in Guyana. And you know what happened? I'll show you the pictures. Don't be shocked. Can you see this? You know what all these are? Mass suicide. They kill themselves. This guy is Jim Jones. He says the world is coming to an end. and he make everyone take an injection. And everyone that can you see not the bodies?
R.I.P. those people.
Can see now.
Hey.
So this is what he is, and he had so many followers, you know. And he forced them to kill themselves, mass suicide. If you look down here, mass suicide. So if you follow the wrong leader, what happened? The leader will lead you to your death. You see all this? You think people are sleeping, they are dead, you know. This is not the first time such things happen. Huh? Not first time. You see all these dead bodies, you know. What they do, they force them to take an injection and all died. So be careful. The point is this. The point is be careful of who you follow. Okay, don't just follow. You know why I follow him? It's stylish. Then you don't know where he'll lead us to. In the end, yeah, you might be doing wrong. Okay, never mind. I hope you're not shocked. Are you shocked? Putra, are you okay, Putra? You're having headache now. There's another one. There's another one called Heaven's Gate. And what happened?
Oh.
They all are. This one is quite interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, I show you.
I heard of it before.
Heard of it. Okay, Heaven's Gate. They say, you know, there's going to be a spaceship to take us out of this world or something. And then Heaven's Gate. This is the website last time they had. And then there's this man. What's the man? Suicide. This guy. See, all of them died in the where? They go and sleep on the bed and kill themselves. This is the guy. He says something that Earth is going to renew itself, and a time for us to leave the Earth is better for us to leave the Earth now than later. So let us take our life now. Can you imagine people following him?
Haram.
No, ni haram gila, right? It's gila. You see, all the dead bodies. Yeah. So be careful. The point is, don't follow just follow your friends, no. Because sometimes your friends,
follow your destiny.
Yeah, follow your destiny.
Except for emo kids. Emo kids,
emo kids. Emo means emotional
you
kids.
know what they do? They act depressed.
I see. Okay, come, we try this. Carissa has given the answer. I didn't know. I just showed the screen for a while and she. Why are you crying, Carissa? Putra, don't disturb me. Crying like that. Okay, come. PRS, come on. Can you find PRS? Look carefully, yeah.
So how about the Tuesday?
Am I correct?
Tuesday. Okay, I will message your mom.
No,
Yeah,
I know.
Are you
know
correct?
already.
What is you know the answer?
Look, the solution.
Carissa, well done. Very interesting question, Carissa. You got it right. Wow, how come she's like she has no emotions now?
Very easy.
Very easy. Oh, she's frozen. Those of you can Farish, where are you? Farish, come. Try to do this one. Now, don't be afraid of the question. Okay, they don't show any angles. You know, it's equilateral triangle. You know which. Okay, we ask right.
Very scary, Joe. Very scary, Joe.
Very scary. Now you mean
Very
me
scary.
can do. You can label the angles that you know already lah. Putra, which angles can you label, Putra? Which one you know?
Q R. Wait, no. Q.
Yeah, label. Okay, that one is how much?
PQT.
How much is that? No.
60.
Okay, so 60. Yeah. Hold on. So this one don't yet. Okay. So 60 is where? You know where the 60 is, right?
Q and T.
Okay, down here 60, down here 60, but this one is also 60.
That means 60 divided by 3, which
Good.
is
Which
20.
is, so each one is 20. Well done. So now you got this one 20. Well done.
20. Wait.
Now we only look at this triangle. Okay, don't look at the other triangles. I'm going to enlarge that triangle. Well done. So now you look at things one step at a time. Okay. Watch out. Hey, what happened? Okay, now do not look at the other triangle. Just look at this one only. Okay, look at this one on here. You know this one is 20, right? So can you find what is angle R? Come. Don't look at the rest. You know what I'm doing now?
Yeah, let me help you.
No. You try. You help by calculating what's the angle. Come on. Just look at this now. You know this one as Raidi and Carissa says this is 20. Come on, fine. What's this angle now? Come on.
60.
60. How you get 60?
Somehow.
Come, try.
I also don't know.
Use your. Come on, use your calculation. Come on, you can do this. This is an isosceles triangle, you know. Which two angles are the same? You know what?
Wait,
Well done, ready? Who else? Shalina can do now, Shalina. Farish can do now, Farish. You know which two angles are the same? Okay, you show Farish. Which two angles are the same? Show me which one. This one is same as this, is it? Or these two same or these two same? Which one? Once you know which two the same, yes, Nayu. Yes, Naomi. Yeah, please carry on, Nayu. Shalina, well done. Why are you in the dark, Shalina? I do not want others to see how pretty I am. Don't be like that, Shalina. Okay, this one and which one? Yes, okay, good. So now you know these two are the same. Huh? So now can you solve it? No, Farish, can you solve it? 180 minus 20, you get 160. Then divide by 2, you get 80. Okay, eh? Now, I hope you understand that when you look at the angles, triangles, don't look at all of it at one time. Look part by part, okay? And the lesson also, don't follow the wrong leader. If you follow wrong leader can lead you elsewhere to very strange places. Like
Cool. Very cool.
yeah, even your friends, no? Some of you all might have friends and then they ask you, hey, let's go to the mall and steal something. Be careful, there are friends like that.
Actually, I have a fake friend.
Fake friend.
A very fake friend.
What happened to that friend?
So he always lies, and then one time he asked me to meet him below.
Then?
At some timing down. And then so I went down at that timing. Guess what? He
What?
wasn't there. And then he said, okay, wait, I'm eating. And then I had to wait for like more than an hour. Then when I went to balik, he didn't survive.
But he didn't come at all.
He didn't come.
So for such
So I was like, I was going home now. And then I saw him, and then I said, go, where were you? And then he said, and then he tried lying to me.
I see.
Because before I went to 7-Eleven, and then he said he went to 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Yes.
Before that I went to 7-Eleven, then I didn't see him then. And just before I went home, I went 7-Eleven.
So be careful, because sometimes their friends are there.
Teacher,
Yeah, yes.
Carissa is lagging.
Who's lagging? Carissa.
Huh?
Carissa is lagging.
Carissa.
Okay. All right, can we? Yeah.
Two people left.
Two people left. Why? Yeah.
Don't know.
I think they don't like our stories. Okay, never mind. Okay, we try this one. Actually, Shafia is outside actually. So, can we try this now? Find angle ADC. ADC is a big angle, huh?
I accidentally found BDC.
BDC, yeah. Okay, come. Shalina can find out, Shalina. Are you sick, Shalina? No, right? What is that sword? Are you into fencing, Farish? Yes. I have one student who does fencing and entered Singapore Sports School. Yeah. So you are competing in school? Yes. Just at home only with your siblings.
No, outside of school.
Oh, outside school. Okay, then you can even enter Singapore Sports School. No? So through your CCA, if you are quite good, they might.
Secondary school.
Secondary school, yeah. So one student of mine, he's in.
Wait, you mean Farish play the sword?
I don't. Yeah, I don't know. Do you know how to use a sword? The fencing, yes. Okay, now we organize Putra versus.
I want.
You want the sword?
It's $300.
Wow. But I think he's a very charitable guy. He might give it away, right? Oh, okay. Okay, come. Let us get this. Raidi has given an answer. Let's see whether Raidi is correct. But Raidi, I think I think the answer is not correct.
Okay, I don't know.
This answer is bigger than 90 degrees, you know. Can you see if I draw a 90-degree
Oh.
angle? 90-degree angle is like this, right? Imagine.
Wait, I had two possibilities. Wait, I
You
had
must
two-
find this angle first.
I already found the angle.
How much
It's
is this angle?
97. This is 97.
No, this angle is how much?
Which one?
Yeah, this one.
B.
Yeah.
B
This one-
is 90, and then you take the top one is 60, and then the bottom one is 30.
Good. This is 30. So now can you find this angle first? The pink angle here?
I already
Okay,
found it. It's
how much is it?
97.
90?
7.
Cannot be 97.
Yeah,
Try again, try.
Because you take 54 plus 30, and then you minus it by 180.
So how 180 minus
It's
54?
96.
96, yes. Okay, you get 96. So now you get 96 here. All right. And down here is how much? This one. This is all 60, right?
Mhm.
So you
Oh.
60 plus 96. This is your answer. Can you all see now how to do this?
156.
156 is the answer. This is 156.
Yeah.
So not too bad, eh? So in order to do this, okay, let's say now we do it in slow-mo. So what do? You label all this 60, 60, 60. And then as Raidi says, find this angle 90 minus 60, you get 30 down here. And then what you need to do? After this, you can blank out, if you want to, in your mind, blank out, black out. Block out, black out, block out, what am I saying? You block out this triangle down here. And then you just find 180 minus 30 minus 54, you get 96. And then after that, you plus this 60 again. 60 plus 96, you get 156.
Sure. Imagine this, okay? You're like awake inside like 3 in the morning, and then you get a blackout.
Blackout.
Yeah, like you know all the light off.
I am scared of blackout in other countries. I've been blacked out in a whole big a mansion, a villa, all alone, and it's in the middle of the night, and it's total darkness, and there's no one for the next 50 meters. Can you imagine how scary it is? And
And then you hear like a bottle like cracking.
No, I straight away went out to the villa, and this happened in Cambodia. It happened in Cambodia as well, because the whole street was blackout.
Are you scared?
I was scared. You don't feel scared?
Because later like there's like the water running down, and then later you share it, and then you think like you got something in at the other side of the corridor.
Oh, because got the thing.
Got the
The
thing,
sounds.
yeah. We do not know whether they are, because these big houses is empty. So, but anyway, can we find Can we find bad here? BAD. You all know which BAD, yeah? It's not
bad.
good. Yeah, bad.
Haram.
Bad is haram.
How what?
Okay. He say haram, but Okay.
A and E. What is it?
bad, he says haram. Haram.
What is
Okay.
haram?
I do not know. What is haram, Raidi?
Very bad.
Okay. Okay, can we try this? We find BAD.
Haram very bad.
Haram is 48.
Wow, so far you got the answer. I
Sorry,
think you got this step
I
by
made
step.
a mistake.
Carissa should get this far. Where is she? She's gone. Carissa, she doesn't want to play it.
My internet not stable, Cha.
Oh, it's okay. Can you try to find BAD? All right, I'll give you a clue, because it seems that you might be a little bit tired.
No, teacher, wait. I know what to do.
Okay. I just do this so you know which is sandwich angle, which one is same angle. First one.
Oh, so close to down. Very close.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, yeah, I'm still checking the answer. B, C, D.
That's take 180 minus.
A, B, D. It's quite a tricky one, huh?
It's a trick because I think you need to find E, but you don't.
It's quite a tricky one. Mew. What is mew?
Meow.
Oh, meow. I myself, I'm thinking, how do we do this one?
Wait,
Carissa, you know how to do?
So that means I'm wrong.
How do you get your answer?
So I take 180 minus 72, and then once you get the answer, you divide it by
Oh, okay. So
2,
that
and
one
then
is
once you get 2, and then you put the 56 on B.
54.
Wait, 54 on B, and then you take 72 plus 54, and then it will be 180 minus the answer, and then you get.
Hold on. Down here now, you say it's what? This is 52. 54. Okay, I found the answer. Okay, 54 and then? Okay, down here 54. You don't need to find one by one. You just need to, Allah Akbar, sorry. Once you know this is 54, you can just do this. Watch. I'm gonna, you find this angle here. Sorry. What has happened to my, okay. You find this angle here. 180 minus 54. What do you get? 126. Now they tell you must read carefully. Triangle ABD is isosceles. Means this triangle, I'm going to draw this again so that you can see it clearly, okay? This triangle like that is isosceles, you know. So this and this are the same. This angle is 126. 180 minus 126, you get the answer, which is 54. Divide by 2. You will get this answer here. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Well done, Carissa. Okay, so this is 27.
Very close.
Yeah, this is quite tricky. For one, sorry, not 21, 27. It's quite tricky. So even I also won't be able to see it.
Yeah, can you the video you were talking
Okay,
about
yeah,
just
sure.
now?
What video?
Thank you.
Your video, is it?
Yes.
Okay,
the one
hold
I
on.
sent you. Thank you.
Just let me, now we're
I
gonna
don't
look.
know. It's just the top that is, because it's like
Okay.
a swimming place, so that some people won't use the top.
Okay, we see. I hope there's no naked stuff inside here. Hold on. Where
Other
is
than the top,
this
top, because it's wearing underwear, like you know the trunks.
okay, first of all, this one is your cat, Okay.
Not my cat.
Not your cat. Not your cat.
It was just a random picture on.
Okay, so, you know. So this one now, what is this? This one you want us to? Can you? Sorry, you all can hear now.
No.
Yes. This one is it?
Yeah. Okay. Pause here. You can see that it's going down.
Okay. This is what a bit Wet and Wild.
Wait. And then later it will be like.
Oh, look up.
Then do this, and then it will close. And then listen to what?
Where is this?
Wait.
In Singapore.
Look at the bottom here. Look at the bottom here. Just open. I was looking down then I saw it.
Wow. This is in Singapore?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. And you have your video here now?
Huh?
Oh,
No, I don't.
Very interesting. I think I
took
will.
that.
I will
I
have
took
to. I will have to go for this one also. All right then. Thank you very much. We'll catch up next week. Okay.
The bottom
Bye-bye.
is like okay. The bottom.
Bye.